I pledge to my country to be faithful, loyal, and honest. But dear country, we have fulfilled all our pledges to you. Why then do you scatter our hopes and dreams? Why do you fail to secure our future? Why do you push us into a hard-knock life with no gain? School and scam? This has gone from just a slogan to become a very popular theory in my country. I was very adamant believing this better truth until I finished my NYSC.
Look at the space here. Chance! In for the pieces. Goal! And again they hit the front. Look at the space
Football! Yes! Come in. Johnny! Johnny of Africa!
You're welcome.
Amoo, see you. You look good though. Look at you.
You're looking good.
Sit down.
Come on.
Johnny. Johnny of Africa.
I never do away with this game.
Wait till I go do.
Now what for you?
There's nothing to do now. Look at me. I'm just home. There's nothing I would do than to keep on playing my game.
You this guy.
Johnny, look at you. You're looking fresh. Like NYC looks really good on you.
Bro, if you go in there, you will understand.
Bro, forget. I can't wait to go. Like, I just really want to start and finish, then begin to cash out. You understand? Start making money.
As in, I don't get you. Like, I don't understand.
Like, I mean, after NYC, you get a good job, then you begin to make the cash. Johnny! You understand? Cool cash.
Don't worry.
Why are you laughing?
The money part.
No, I mean, after NYC, the next thing is you get a good job, then you begin to make good cash.
I need water.
Johnny of Africa.
Dabi, nilu to jabun ara di boyin.
until I lost my fiancé to this same truth.
Baby. Oh, now sorry for so please. Dupe. Why all this attitude?
Save me the story. I'm not here for that. I'm tired. I'm tired.
Dupe, just give me a smile. You know what? I got a call.
A call.
Seriously. This morning. In fact, there is an offer for me. A big one. Seriously. See, the whole situation will change very soon. Dupe, I just want you to give me just more time. More time, please. I just need a little time from you.
Really? I can't manage again. I can't. I can't. I'm tired of everything. Just look at me. I'm tired.
Come on. You know, it wasn't my fault. See, you know, I
Johnny, you know what? It's over.
Hey, Dupe.
Until I started running from some of my mates who drop out to learn a job or start a business who are already making sense out of life.
Now your AC is working well.
I'm done.
Alright, no problem. Johnny? Johnny, I said it now.
Oh, hey.
I said it and I know this face now. Look at you. You've not changed the beat though.
You're not a big man. What are you doing here?
Well, I came into town for a business meeting, so I'll be spending a day or two. So I decided to check into this hotel.
A big man.
See, you've not been coming for reunion. That's why we've not been seeing. Everyone has been asking of you.
Not life, Omo. Oh, forget about that one.
So what are you doing here? Just hold on. Give me the key to any room, anyone.
Frank!
Johnny!
I cannot believe this.
Come on, we have a lot of
I should follow you.
Go. Johnny!
Frank.
So good to see you.
Oh my God.
Hey.
Seriously, Frank. It has not been easy now. So I've attended many interviews. I've submitted my CV to so many companies. They will get back to me.
As usual.
They will call you. Imagine. And man need to hate. No good job now. Here I am. Ordinary cleaner. Ordinary cleaner. In a hotel.
John. Aside from being old school mates, we share the same bed space. So that means I know you well enough. Well, unfortunately, you guys looked at me to be the unserious one. owing to the fact that I had a poor attendance in class. You know, I'm in school today, I'm not in school tomorrow. But I discovered, and thank God I did, that education alone in this country of ours will not do the magic. Cannot do the magic. Now, back then, I dropped out of school, like you know, but thank God for my uncles who actually introduced me into the spare part business. It's quite unfortunate that our institutions, where they get it wrong, is that they accredit our schools for courses without job prospects. And our parents would also enforce and instill on their children to go for one course. Whereas at the end of it, there is no job readily available. Such is your case. It's quite unfortunate, but here we are today. What if I told you that the same me, same friend who dropped out of school, has a degree in business administration?
No, Frank.
You've not heard it. Okay. As I speak with you, my master's is in view.
No,
No, it is not what you think. Now listen. After I successfully, established myself in the spare part business, yes, gradually I was making money. At that point, it was easier for me to further my education. And internet has even made it easy. The online courses that you could just put in for. See, no age is too old for education at all.
So, I got it wrong?
No, you didn't get it wrong. It's not your fault. It's the country we found ourselves. But you know what I would advise? Look for a business you can do, one that will put food on your table, and not just putting food on your table. Because I always tell people, you have to live a fulfilled life. One that will, make you fulfilled. And let me know about it, then I'll see what I can do.
Frank. That is nice. At my age, don't you forget, I came out in second class hopper.
In aeronautic engineering, that there is no job. My brother, do what I said. And let's leave the rest for God. Drink up.
Examine this theory. I see that truly graduates are reduced to working odd jobs, and the one without the fear of God dabbles into fraud, prostitutions, and robbery of all forms. For the wise one, according to this theory, they shun schools, learn a job, or start a business and eventually employ the so-called graduates. If education is truly a scam, then what is the best legacy to give to the leader of tomorrow?
Don't give up, it's gonna be okay. Don't give up, it's gonna be fine. Don't give up, it's gonna be okay. Hey. Don't give up, it's gonna be fine. My mama told me, ní kí n má ronú, my daddy taught me. Wọ́n ní kí n má mi kàn, my mama taught me.